day long I sat here, refreshing my Coinbase, looking at these fucking gains that I have made. Looking at these fucking gains that I have made. Damn it, boy, it's been a long time since I sung that song. It's been a while. But boys, BTC is breaking out. I see some green dildos all over the charts this morning, including some altcoins. This is a daily right here. Look at this. We're back above 88. Is this really happening right now? What the fuck's going on? What the fuck is going on? Look at this. Just in. 1.5 trillion wiped out from U.S. stock market today. 60 billion was added to the crypto market. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, it got me feeling bullish. Alright, so let me just play this quick video to give you a rundown. It's a 1-minute Yahoo Finance video. Let me just play this for you real quick. Of course, it's not going to load.
It's time for Yahoo Finance's Market Minute. Stocks selling off. The so-called Sell America trade intensifying as President Trump pressures the Fed to cut rates amid growing trade tensions. The dollar is under pressure falling to a 3-year low earlier in the session as global investors pull away from U.S. assets amid mounting trade tensions. Gold continuing its climb to yet another record high as investors go risk off, seeking safe haven assets amid trade uncertainty and fears of an economic slowdown. The surge in the precious metal sending shares of gold miners higher as well. And Bitcoin is also jumping as investors climb into digital gold as well as the risk-off sentiment grows here. We're also seeing MicroStrategy shares rise. The company bought $555 million worth of Bitcoin ahead of the surge higher. That's your Yahoo Finance Market Minute. For more on what's trending on Yahoo Finance, you can scan the QR code below to track the best and worst.
Bullish. Yeah, we're out here slaughtering the bears right now. So basically what's going on, Trump came out and talking about firing Powell. Markets panic, 1.4 trillion gone from the stock market, and people are looking for less risky assets to put money in. And it looks like, gold's been hitting new all-time highs. Eventually, if you look at the charts long term, Bitcoin soon after that starts hitting new all-time highs. Alright, here's another thing. Michael Saylor's strategy bagged 6,556 Bitcoin for $555.8 million. This dude's always buying Bitcoin. Like, goddamn. BlackRock did too. Let me see here. I saw that somewhere. Where did I see it? Let me see here. This is a Bitcoin chart. No, I'm probably not going to see it on here now. But let me see what the fear and greed is. 38. Not bad. I'm sure the stock market's... Let's see what CNN's fear and greed is. Let's see what they are. I'm sure it's a lot lower than 38. Any day. Any day, bro. Let's see here. 22. Yeah, it's in extreme fear right now. And that's funny to me. These stock boys were talking so much shit, like Peter Schiff especially. All he does is tweet talking shit about Bitcoin every day. And honestly, I'm about to block him at this point because he's fucking annoying on Twitter. But yeah, guys, it feels good. You know, if Bitcoin can maintain this momentum and we keep, you know, it broke above key resistance. It broke above key resistance. And I think it's going to continue this momentum. It's hanging around 88 right now, just kind of moving sideways. Them Asian boys right now are trading Bitcoin. So, you know. Yeah, them Asian boys are buying the fuck out of Bitcoin right now because it looks like it pumped back up in the last few hours. Asian markets start trading at 8:30. And guys, if you're not aware, Asia, people sleep on Asia. That's a lot of trading volume. You know, it's a lot of people. It's billions of people actually. But yeah, that's really all I have for you. Let me just read a little bit about this actually. Bitcoin surged past 88,000 on Monday before settling around 86.8, which is our new support, marking its highest price since last March. Let's fucking go. The jump followed a sharp drop in the US dollar, which hit a 3-year low amid rising concerns over political interference in the Federal Reserve. Like I said, with Trump talking about firing Jay Powell. And what happens when the US dollar goes down? Risk on assets usually go up. Well, the stock market isn't risk on, it's more just crypto right now. It's kind of like decoupling in a way. Yeah. Over the past 24 hours, data from CoinGlass showed more than 97 million in Bitcoin short positions were liquidated. It's fucking slaughtering these bears, bro. Bitcoin's slaughtering the fucking bears. Off with their fucking heads. Show them no fucking mercy. Alright. Sorry, I'm getting excited. It's been a while. You know? Just feeling a little bullish. Because for once, Bitcoin is doing one thing. Print those fucking gains. Print those fucking gains. The dollar's decline came after President Donald Trump intensified his criticism of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Trump wrote on Truth Social that Powell's termination could not come fast enough. I know, right? After weeks of pressuring the central bank to cut interest rates, which is crazy to me because he printed giga money for Biden, you know? Hey, bro, can you print me some money? Fuck yeah, how many zeros? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Enter, enter, enter. You need some more? Enter, enter. Then let fucking Trump ask him, no, we're data dependent. We're depending on data and lagging indicators that I'm just fucking don't even need to be using anymore. I'm just being a dick. Yeah, sorry, bro. You know, that's pretty much where he's at. White House economic advisor Kevin Hassett confirmed that the administration was reviewing legality of removing Powell. The comments triggered market volatility, pushing the U.S. dollar index down by more than 1% to levels last seen in March 2022. At the same time, traditional finance markets took a hit. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and NASDAQ all fell 3% on Monday in New York. Analysts cited investor uncertainty about the Fed's independence and broader macroeconomic instability as key drivers behind the sell-off. Despite pressure on equities, Bitcoin rose as investors turned to assets perceived as safer store of value. Gold, another such asset, also continued its rise, trading above $3,420 per ounce, its highest price ever. While cryptocurrencies typically move in tandem with equities, Bitcoin's performance on Monday suggested a potential shift, behaving more like a hedge against economic political instability. But yeah, I'm feeling giga bullish, guys. I think this might be the time where the crypto starts decoupling from the stock market and starts going on a fucking run, you know? Like when Forrest Gump, his shit came off and he just kept running. He wanted to go down the street and then That's where we are right now. We're down the street. We're at 88. Hell, we might go down get down to the fucking downtown and then just keep running. Then we're gonna go all the way to the fucking ocean. And then just feel like keep running and run all the way to the other fucking ocean. Until you have so many people following you. And then one day you just stop running and it goes into a bear market. And that's like in Forrest Gump when everyone's like following behind. They're like, well, what the fuck are we supposed to do? That's what happens when a bear market comes, buddy. Should have thought about that. Should have thought about it. But looks like we're dumping a little bit back down to 88. Well, I don't think we're gonna be dumping like that from this point forward. I think that I hope we're not. I hope we're not, I mean. But who am I? I'm just a fucking construction worker that does security, and I'm poor. So, who am I? Just a guy that's been investing money in crypto for fucking years trying to get rich, you know? Don't know anything. But yeah, guys, that's really all I got for you right now. Didn't even think I was going to make a video tonight because I'm extremely tired, but I'm excited for Bitcoin. And I'm pretty sure when Bitcoin starts taking off, these altcoins are going to start picking up, especially when ETH moves. And ETH has been disappointing. Let's look at ETH real quick. I tried pulling up my weeks account and like looking at the moving averages and stuff, and this computer's a piece of shit, and it won't load for some reason. So I have to use CoinMarketCap. But anyways, look at this, man. This is pathetic. ETH is trash. It's been pissing me off. I'm sorry if you like ETH. Whatever, bro. The gas fees are high. It's slow. You know, I just want it to break out so altcoins can break out, you know? It's just like, what the fuck is going on? Let's look at the all-time chart. It's so trash. We're back to like 20. This is like the all-time high and like fucking we're below all-time highs in 2021. Wait, what was the all-time high? Okay, in 2021 it was like $4,000. Like, this shit's trash. You know what I mean? Fucking ETH is trash. Why is it performing so shittily? I just want it to break above at least 2K so these fucking altcoins can break out, you know? Because Bitcoin, I wonder where the altcoin thing on here is. This altcoin season index, 16 out of 100. That's fucking trash for alts. People are FOMOing into Bitcoin right now. Really. That's what's going on. So BTC dominance is probably going to be high for a while. But best believe when they cut these interest rates, guys, things are going to start getting fucking crazy. And actually, I'm about to look at that real quick. Let's look at the CME Fed Watch and see what it says. Let's see what they say. The next Fed meeting is in a few weeks. 15 days. So we got 2 weeks and 1 day. Alright. Look at this ease. Chance of ease, 9%. Get the fuck out of here, man. So they might not do it in May. They might not do it. Let's see what June is. 71. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. That's June 18th. Now let's see what July brings. 96.8. You know what they're going to be doing? Oh shit. Print those fucking games. Oh, really? They're going to be printing money. But when that happens, you know what happens when they print money? We end up print those fucking games. But yeah, guys, I'm getting off here. I'm going to bed. If you get any value, please like and subscribe. And, you know, drop a comment. Tell me what the fuck you think's going on. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you burnt out? Depressed? Are you excited? I feel like I'm all of the above. I'm bullish and bearish. I'm burnt out and excited. You know? All four of those emotions going on at once. I don't know how to feel right now. I don't know if I can trust the pump. I don't know if I should not trust it or start getting my McDonald's hat ready. to go back to the factory or whatever, you know. Get your ass back to the factory, boy. Bull run's over. But nah, that's all I got for you guys. You know, just keep pushing. I've been burnt out, guys. I got an eye infection. It's like really fucked up. My eye vision is starting to get bad. I have to go to the eye doctor. And I've still been going to work every day. I got a fucked up foot I need surgery on. A bunch of stuff going on with me, and I've just been working my ass off and ready for this to fucking stop so I can pump the brakes a little bit, you know? Start enjoying life. It's starting to piss me off. Need J Powell to cut these rates so I can print gains and take some time off work. But I also would like to get a new computer and start investing money in my YouTube channel. But yeah, it kind of sucks when you're poor. Can't do too much. But all right, guys. That's all I got for you guys. Hold down the fort.